What's up, guys and gals? This is Tony from ClickFunnels for Non-Techies by Alpha Blossom, and I got a special guest today. This is Porco. He's joining me for a little while. Actually, I'm gonna set him down so I can talk to you guys. Today was an exciting day in the ClickFunnels world. I was at the Funnel Hacking Live conference in Nashville today, and they had a couple of new product announcements I wanted to share with you guys. These are brand new, just released today, so bear with me. I'm going to walk through. I haven't really had a chance to play with it too much, so I might stumble through this a little bit. But I wanted you guys to be the first ones to know about it. Today, January 30th, 2020, at the Funnel Hacking Live conference in Nashville, they announced several products, enhancements to the ClickFunnels. And I have to apologize in advance. I'm on the Platinum plan, which is $297 a month. There's also the $97 standard plan. I don't know right now if these apply to the $97 plan or not. I'll try to find out and get some clarification on that, but I wasn't clear when they announced it. Basically, they announced they have a new dashboard so that the back end, when you first log in, it looks a little nicer. Um, I read some people's comments that they like the old one, so I guess that's subjective. They have, I believe it's pronounced Avalara, which is allows you to integrate and get real-time tax calculations. I'm not familiar with the service. I haven't used it. I've read a few comments on that. Once the trial is over, it's pretty expensive. So do your research on that if you need to do tax calculations. But if you need to do it, you need to do it. So at least you have that option. They made a huge announcement on page speed improvement. I just finished a book on blazing fast funnel secrets, and it's a 70-page book. It's available right now as a download, and it talks about specifically how to optimize your ClickFunnels funnels to make them blazing fast. So I'll put a link here. Right now it's free. It's not going to be free for too long. So if you guys want to download it and get access to that, I'll put a link here, and you guys can visit the opt-in page for that. But they did announce some improvements, and from what I can tell, the improvements are images now are lazy loaded, which was something I talked about in my book. So I'm very happy to see that. And they also are dynamically sizing them so that they're, if you have a huge image, it's being resized on the fly, so you're not loading that huge image. Those two are huge improvements alone. And for JavaScript, they're loading it asynchronously. Hopefully, that's not going to break anything. It can cause some things not to work. So we'll see how that goes. But all in all, very positive announcements. A couple more. Mentioned something about being on the App Store. I haven't had a chance to look into that, and I didn't really follow it too well. So, uh, sub users on the $297 plan, you can have three sub users. I'm not sure about the $97 plan. I believe that's one user. And sorry, guys, my Porco is a little thirsty. And again, this is just a live off the cuff. I'm not going to edit it or anything. I just wanted to come and share these with you guys. So I apologize for a little background noise. And then the follow-up funnels, which was Actionetics before, is now integrated into it. So a lot of exciting changes. But the one I want to show you guys today is the product variations. Just a quick run through. Basically, it allows you to add natively without having to have a third party app or additional code. You can have product variants, so you can have size, color, maybe short sleeve, long sleeve. So it really gives you a lot of power if you're using this for any kind of a physical product. So um, one other thing to note is that it does not work with the two-step order form. So if you're using a two-step order form, you would have to change that out to the just the standard order form to use that. And before I show you that, there was one more thing that they've been working on. It's called Funnel Flicks. It's available on the Platinum plan, which is a $297 a month plan. They announced just a bunch of new content today, which is really amazing. They actually had Frank Kern came out and speak today, and if you know anything about marketing, he's a marketing legend. It was awesome to listen to him, uh, to see him live. Just blown away, and that was just a total surprise. He wasn't announced as a speaker; he just came out as a total surprise. But they licensed a bunch of his training. So inside of FunnelFlex, you get Frank Kern, you got a bunch of Dan Kennedy's trainings. There's Tony Robbins in there. There's all of the ClickFunnels content, and there's just a ton of great content in there. So if you're trying to learn more about marketing and um, it's just a great value for the platinum. So I'm going to put the link there. If you don't have it already, there's a 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. You can check it out, and the funnel flicks is amazing. It's just a ton of great content. So I really encourage you guys to check it out and step up your marketing game. So again, it doesn't work with a two-step order form. I have the regular order form here in front of me. First thing we need to do is add products. So we're going to go into the products here, and I'm going to add a product. I'm just going to select the PayPal, and we're going to go over to the next. I'm going to call it t-shirt. And product price, we're going to say, let's say $29.97 US dollars. We don't need to worry about all this for our demo here. We're not doing inventory or any of that. I'm going to save and next. And this is where you see the new thing, create product variations. Would you like to create variations for this product? We're going to click yes. And you have your variation type. We're going to do color first. And the values, we're going to separate that by a comma. So we're going to do, we're just going to do white, comma. And when you do a comma, it automatically puts it in there. And black. And that's it. And if you're just doing one, you save, but we're going to do another. So we're going to save and add another. And the other one we're going to do is just going to be size. So we're going to go size. And let's just add 3 sizes here. So I'm going to say small, medium, large. And now we can save that. Create. And now we're going to add some images. You see it has all your variations added here. And you can change the SKUs and all that by going to edit. I'm going to add image. One thing I don't like is you have to add the image one at a time. So if you have a bunch of, let's say you have 10 whites and 10 blacks, it would be nice to be able to add one image and then be able to just duplicate it to all of these. It may be possible to do that. This is brand new. I haven't seen a way to do it, but I've only been playing with it for a few minutes. So it may be possible. Don't hold me to it. But from what I've seen, you have to do each one individually. And if you have a bunch of images, you got, if your image is far back in your page list, you got to scroll through. It would be nice to be able to add just a URL quickly, or to be able to duplicate one color for multiple. So it's also, I believe it's still in beta. I had to go this is not in beta anymore. I believe this is out of beta. The page speed is still in beta. So you have to go through and find your image. You could upload it, which would maybe make it back on the first page. So I'm going to do white here. I'm going to just do all the whites really quick. And then let's go down. Sorry, I'm just doing this because I want you guys to see how it looks on the front end. So, and then we're going to add one more white, and then we're going to add our blacks, and then we're going to get moving here. Let's see. Okay, now let's do the black ones. And you can add more. So like I said, if you wanted to add a short sleeve, long sleeve option, you can do that. And the cool thing, you can also, I'll show you in a minute. Oops. See, I messed up. I'll show you in a minute. You can also add, adjust the price, change the SKUs for each individual item. So it's really cool. You might have seen my videos before. I had coded an option like this where you actually had buttons. You could select this type of thing, but the fact that this is just built in natively, it's just so much nicer than having to custom code anything and rely on, those things that don't really, you never know if there's an update or something, it might break, things like that. So it's always better to have it native if you can. And then if you want to edit, let's say we're going to make the large going to be $34.97. So you can edit that here. You can set inventory on a per variation basis. So if I only have 10 white large, I can put a 10 here. Once those are sold out, then it'll say it's unavailable. You can add your image alt text, which I would definitely add. A couple reasons. So we're going to say white, large. And one reason is if your picture breaks, people can still read the text to see what the picture would have been. And the biggest reason, it's good for SEO, but the major reason is it's really great for accessibility. So people that have vision problems that are using a screen reader, they can still understand what the image is supposed to be. So always use alt text whenever you have the option of setting that. You can add a product description. We're going to just not worry about that for now. You can also toggle them on and off, so if you run out of something or if you want to stop selling a certain variation, you can just turn it off here. So we're going to save and next, and then I'm going to go back to the steps, and we're going to add it to our funnel. So I'm going to go edit page. You can see this is just a pre-populated one. You can see we already have the dynamically updated stuff here. So I'm going to get rid of that because we don't need that. And then we're going to add our new stuff here. So we've got a couple boxes here. These only show once you start adding the product. So the first one is going to be the product with variant selector. So we're going to add that. And then we're going to add our price underneath that. And that's the summary. So you can see we have it there. And let's save that and preview it and see if it shows up on the preview. We should get our images popping up here. So there we go. We have the white image. Here you've got the t-shirt, the price, the color, the size. Of course, I don't know how much styling it is. I haven't really played with that much, but of course you can always do that with CSS, things like that. Here's the subtotal, quantities, and then of course your standard credit card information. So let's see if it changes color here. We select black. And I did this earlier, it didn't work either. I had to actually see the actual, not the preview, but the standard. Oh, here we go. So I just refresh it. So white, black, that's awesome. Size, medium, large, you can see the price. Oh, maybe I didn't change. Okay, so the white large is $34.97. I didn't change the black, so if I select black, it's going to go back to $29.97. So price is dependent on the variant that you select. It's really awesome. And you see there's nothing here. You have to actually add it to order. That's a little confusing. I didn't really like that, but maybe it would be better if you were forced to select this first and then the other one would become selectable, and then once you select that, then the price would auto-populate. But once you click add to order, then it shows the price. And then this is also really cool. You have a product option, so you can select quantity up to 50. I don't know if that's adjustable. I didn't see anywhere to adjust it. Again, just announced today. This is my first time playing with it, so there's probably a lot of things that I'm missing, but I wanted to show you guys that this is now available for you to start using immediately in your product funnels. And there's one more step that you need to do, and that is on the thank you page. Let's go to the thank you page, and on the thank you page we're going to see there's a different order summary there as well. So let's go check. We're going to select a template here. I'm not sure what template has the order form, but anyways, we'll just check it out. So let's just select this guy here. I'll select this one, full width. Okay. And let's see what we got here. We're going to edit the page. And we don't have anything here. We don't need this button. We're going to get rid of that. So we're going to instead just add this element here. And let's see what we got here. It should be, you know what? When I loaded this funnel, it was not a order form. So I'm going to have to add a new step. And that's going to be confirmation. And then we'll have to add a confirmation template type. So if you guys aren't really familiar with that, they have very different templates. So you have to make sure that you get the right template. So for order confirmation, we need to select the order confirmation template type. And then that will allow us to have a form that shows what people have. So here's the confirmation. Let's see, here's a thank you. We'll just select this one. I'm going to edit the page. And let's see what it comes loaded with. It already has a dynamically updated, but there is now a new product with variation order confirmation. And you want to delete this one. So it's not going to show here because this is a preview mode, but let me show you what it looks like on the front end. So basically it will just show you the product, the quantity, the price, the image, and this is an offer wall here. So just make sure on your thank you page that you delete the standard confirmation box and you use the product with variation order confirmation. And that's it. That's all you got to do, guys. If you want to do product variants, it is now built in, at least with the platinum plan. I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's going to be on the $97 plan, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check into that for you guys. Um, Hot off the press, announced today, Funnel Hacking Live 2020. You guys heard it here first. And if you got any questions, leave them in the comments. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like this video so you can get updated on it. And I will continue to bring you guys some really valuable, awesome ClickFunnels tutorials, tips, trainings, and things like that. If you got any requests, let me know. You guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon.